Well, there's another day out. As you can see by the debris on the floor, I have not bored you with watching me sanding. Most of these videos from here on will just be like an update video. I've taken the contour gauge and moved my marks up to here, and all of this has been looking real well. I do a little bit of heavier gluing here. I'll mix up some of the strand fiberglass mixture here in the corner, and move on to, I think we're just down to a couple of skim coats. I'll spend some time making sure this line is nice and straight and that this contour is even, and that'll move us down the road. I'll have to go in here, smooth this out. I'll mount the headlight back in it, make sure that everything lines up here and in this corner, and we'll get on to the finish work. There's a bit of an end of the day video. You can see the shape is there. Got the corner dressed. The process here is tomorrow I'll come out and put a skim coat over the whole thing, maybe a little bit of guide coat, try to get the final blocking in. I sanded out the back side of the hood. I'm going to put some fiberglass here in the corner. And that'll be it for today. We'll see what kind of progress we make tomorrow. As it turned out, I had a few more minutes, so I went ahead and got the fiberglass all in this corner, all built up nice and tidy, so I can block her down, and they'll have a chance to dry overnight.